Good morning, guys. Get ready with Blessing for daycare. This is our outfit today. Little sis, so cute. I love it, love it. Gonna put on her socks and pants, her little shirt, and of course her nice little cardigan because it's still cold here. I'm just putting some leave-in conditioner in her hair so it's softer for me to comb it out. I also spray detangler in it, and I'm using the edge control to get like a good part in and everything. As you can see, she is fidgeting, she's moving. It's super hard to comb a baby hair, but guess what? She is ready and looking so cute. Are you ready to go in? Okay, go see teacher. Go, bye. Go have some snack. Go in. Go in, Blessing. Go have some snack. Go have some snack, Blessing. Go.
I have bread and cheese.
Yeah, bye.